How to update Windows 11 drivers. So in order to update drivers on Windows 11, firstly make sure that you have an updated version of Windows itself. To check whether you have updated version of Windows 11 available or not, you simply need to go to Settings, and from there go to Windows Update and search for the Windows Update that are available currently. You will be able to see the Update tab or Download and Install tab in the Windows Update section, and from there make sure that you have got an updated or up-to-date version of Windows updates. And in order to install the drivers manually, you can simply go to Windows again and search for Device Manager. Open up the Device Manager, and from here you can select the bunch of drivers that you want to update manually or automatically. For an example, if I want to install or download the latest version of Bluetooth drivers, I will simply expand the Bluetooth section, and from here select my Bluetooth driver and click on Update Driver. And from here you can either choose to update your drivers automatically, or you can manually browse the drivers and install them. And you can update Windows 11 drivers manually from the Device Manager section. Now if you do have graphics card available on your system, you can simply go to the control panel of your dedicated graphics card in order to update your graphics driver manually. For now, I do have NVIDIA's GeForce, so I will simply go to my Windows and search for GeForce Experience, and from here I would be able to download the latest version of graphics drivers that are available for my system currently. And in this way you can manually download the graphics drivers for your Windows 11. So in this way you can update Windows 11 drivers either automatically or manually. If you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.